Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Adobe Acrobat keeps showing subscription pop-ups, upgrade offers, or annoying sign-in required messages in 2026, you are not alone. These pop-ups usually appears because Acrobat is trying to verify your Adobe account, promote premium features, sync cloud services, or confirm licensing status. So the good news is most cases you can significantly reduce or completely stop these pop-ups with a few settings changes. So first thing you can do is sign in once with your Adobe account. So many sign-in pop-ups occur because Acrobat cannot verify your account. So open Adobe Acrobat, click sign in, enter your Adobe account credentials, complete verification. It stops repeated account validation requests, synchronizes licensing information, and even free Acrobat Reader users can sign in with a free Adobe account. You can also verify your subscription status, like if you are a paid subscriber, open Acrobat, click account, verify your subscription is active, and confirm billing information is current. Okay, so it prevents license verification pop-ups, resolves many subscription required warnings, and expired subscriptions frequently trigger recurring messages. Okay, so disable Adobe Cloud services you don't use, like cloud features often trigger sign-in requests. So open Acrobat Preferences, General, disable unnecessary cloud related services, for example Documents Cloud Sync, recent cloud files, online storage features. So less cloud usage usually means fewer sign-in prompts. Okay, so turn off personalized messages, like Adobe may display promotional content, like open Preferences, General, locate message or notification settings, disable promotional recommendations if available. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.